I now welcome Dr. Sanak Mishra, President INAE, Professor Indraneel Manna, Vice President INAE, Dr. Purnendu Ghosh, Vice President INAE, Dr. Pradeep, Vice President INAE, Professor K. Bhanu Sankara Rao, Chief Editor of Publications INAE, and Lieutenant Colonel Shobhit Rai, retired, Deputy Executive Director INAE, back on the dais and request them to please take their seats. May I request Professor Indraneel Manna, Vice President INAE, to please brief on the INAE Young Engineer Award and announce the names of the awardees.
This session is devoted to Young Engineer Award of INAE. In order to recognize and encourage excellence in the fields of engineering, the Academy instituted INAE Young Engineer Award in 1996. This award recognizes not only the scientific and technological contributions of the nominee, but also their practical applications in industry and their potential for advancement of new technology. The eligibility criteria are evidences of excellence in engineering research, product or process design, technology development, and transfer. Specific contributions submitted for consideration of the award should have been carried out in India. The award consists of a cash prize of Rs 1 lakh and a citation. Each year, nominations are invited by the Academy from various engineering institutions, research laboratories, defense establishments, industry, and fellowship. The selection of INAE Young Engineer Award was made in 2 stages this year. In the first stage, shortlisting of the nominations received was carried out by the sectional committees of INAE, held during June 10 through 20 this year, followed by detailed evaluation through presentation of the work in the second stage. 33 candidates from a total of 134 nominations were shortlisted in the first stage. Engineering section-wise presentation by shortlisted nominees were held during August 17 and 18, 2020 in the second stage of selection. The criteria for selection was the engineering contribution and excellence, future promise as a leader, records and credentials, impact made in engineering field, and presentation and confidence level in answering the questions. The candidates faced the committee and defended themselves in the presentations. The selections were made in 2 days in 8 sessions, that is 2 parallel sessions held in the morning and evening on both days. 15 candidates have been selected for this award. These award winners will also be formally inducted into the Academy as INAE Young Associates during the AGM of Fellows being held online tomorrow. The names of the award winners: Dr. Raghavendra Kumar Chaudhary from Indian Institute of Technology, Indian School of Mines, Dhanbad, specializing in radio frequency and microwave engineering. I request Dr. Sanak Mishra, President INAE, to confer INAE Young Engineer Award for the year 2020.
On behalf of the Indian National Academy of Engineering, I confer the INAE Young Engineer Award for the year 2020 on Dr. Raghavendra Kumar Chaudhary,